Okay. Blocks in the energy flow in the superficial energy circulation. Block between exit and entry points. We always take energy blocks seriously, especially along the meridian flow. Many surgical scars can cause blocks, creating saturation of energy and pain on one side of the scar, yung scar peclat, and numbness and emptiness on the other side. Needles need to be inserted on both sides of the scar on the meridian in order to balance the block, okay? On the organ clock, these blocks are possible even without a scar. Some of the exit and entry points are quite far away from each other. Katulad ng liver 14, the exit point of liver and the entry point of lung, yung lung 1, have at least 6 yun between them. It is quite possible the energy can be lost and stagnates between these 2 points. And then what is the result? There is pain, a feeling of pressure on the chest area, and if this is over the left side, it is nakakatakot, similar to angina pectoris. Okay. So here we have a clinical example of a patient, female, 54 years old. This patient was admitted to emergency ward in the hospital with chest pain and was under observation. Electrocardiogram tests and blood reports showed no evidence of cardiac damage. The blood pressure was slightly elevated. Yung pain was over the left side of the chest and over the breast. Not only was the pain radiating to the little finger of the left hand, there was a great amount of tenderness over the chest area. Okay? May malambot sa may chest area. Treatment. Yung 3 yin meridians of the leg terminates at the thorax. And the 3 yin meridians of the arm begins here. So the distance between their exit and entry points is quite long. All 6 needles were placed on the left side only, and then only the exit points were softly vibrated every 10 minutes for just a few seconds. After the first 10 minutes, the tenderness was better. In the second 10 minutes, the pain and pressure improved greatly. Within half an hour of insertion of needles, the patient was 95% pain-free. Yay. The treatment was repeated the next day and the patient was discharged the same day quite well. Okay? Ang ginamit ng mga points, liver 14, binibrate from time to time and lung 1. Kidney 22, vibrated from time to time and pericardium 1. Spleen 21, vibrated from time to time and heart 1. Okay? So, needles were left inside for 30 minutes with the exit point shortly sedated every 10 minutes. So, remember po kung paano ginawa. The young meridians end and begin on the face. The space between points LI20 to stomach 1 can often be a trigger point in trigeminal neuralgia or TMJ. The space between point SI19 and UB1 or between points triple warmer 21 and GB21 can be the center of the pain areas in migraine headaches. Okay? Treatment is very simple. And if this block was the true reason for the pain, the symptoms should ease during the first treatment session and disappear completely within 2 to 3 sessions. Okay? Many of my colleagues think, sabi nung author, think that energy balancing is complicated and difficult to grasp. Mahirap daw. Pero sabi niya, I often tell them to think of the more simple explanations to start with. If there is pain in an area, it does not have to be due to a great imbalance. It could also be because there is a block on the path along which energy is flowing. May bara. On unblocking or removing the offending block, tatanggalin yung bara, then magkakaroon ng smooth flow ulit. Okay? Yun. There are many reasons for the formation of blocks. Pwedeng surgical scars, long distance between exit and entry points, or an excess situation in the meridian ahead, tumors, etc. Pero yung lahat ng blocks ay hindi pare-parehong pagtitreat, okay? For instance, A scar is treated by placing 2 needles on the meridian. It is not necessary acupuncture points. Basta nasa meridian, both above and below the scar. If the meridian ahead has an excess situation, then this meridian should be sedated. So ito, may illustration po sa example. So ang example dito, yung nagkaroon ng cesarean operation. The Ren meridian and kidney meridians unblocked after a cesarean section. So tingnan nyo po kung saan inilagay yung mga needles. Okay?